This situation is a challenging one. We have our bottomland hardwood forest we're trying to map. So in this particular parcel, it's really nice forest. So it's for the most part completely intact, very, very intact, really robust. Lots of 30-meter tall, trees, cypress trees, and big oaks, and all this kind of stuff. And so there's no clearings from within the forest patch to launch. The one place that is cleared that we have easy access to is this access road. But as you note here, it's also where the power lines have been placed. And so, what's your solution to launching and mapping this particular parcel?